So when you first got the kits, you'll find our GH logos on the top of the package now. So when you turn this side, you can see it's our Dip Blue. And for our Dip Blue, it's compatible with any brands of dip powders. Can last more than 3 weeks with shiny coat. For this one, it's easy to apply and long lasting. So turn to this side, you will find our item numbers here, the GL401. And here is including 4 pieces Dip Glue, the base coat, activator, top coat, brush saver with big size, 15 milliliter. And here is the ingredients information and our factory information here, and our factory name, our address, tag, and the website here. So let's open the kits now. When you first open the kits, you will got the simple tutorials and how to use our Dip Blue. You can see that. And this for the normal powder. You can see that. You can scan the QR code here and then follow our Facebook group. It's for the nail lovers to communicate their experience for using our GH products. And you could click the YouTube, you could get the online video tutorials from YouTube. And here is the steps for how to use our Dip Blue with the powder. It's really useful and simple to follow. So now let's open the inner kit. When you take out the kits, you'll find 4 bottles inside the kit. And with the number 1 base, the number 2 the activator, the number 3 top coat, and the number 4 the brush saver. As you can see, the bottle is 15 milliliter. It's big size, with the logo here printing, and the numbers, and the name, and the sizes. And turn around, it's the information of the product. And the cap is still with our GHDip 3D logo on the top, with silver cap. For our base, it's the flow of the Dip Blue is good and with no harsh odors and easy to apply. It's super easy to apply for our base. And the number 2 is the activator. For the activator, you need to use it 2 times if you use with the regular powder. But if you buy our fast drying dipping powder, you just need to use it for 1 time before the top coat. So now here the printing and the silver top cap. And here is our number 3, the top coat. You can find the printing here. For our top, you still don't have the problem of stuck on. But if you really got one cannot open, please do not force to open and put it into the warm water for around 10 minutes. If it still cannot open, just contact with our after sales service. We could replenish another new one. So for here is our brush saver, the number 4. For this one, we could show you later on the tutorials how to use it. It's used for clean the dirty brush or the brush get hard. So now we're going to show you our Dip Blue kits, how to use it well with regular powder and our fast drying dipping powder or other brands powder. So let's go. We have 4 pieces Dip Glue with 15 milliliter inside the kit. So here is our number 1 base. And the number 2, the activator. And the number 3, the top. And the number 4, the brush saver.